there guys, today I've got Shelly with me.
Hi guys.
You know Shelly, while I'm surfing on my phone, I come across so many facts about skincare and I wonder sometimes if those untruths often leave us scratching our heads wondering whether they're really good for our skin or not.
That happens to me too, Sanya. Well, fear not, because today we're going to be debunking some of the most common myths that have been floating around. So, the first myth is the good old wash your face until it's squeaky clean. You know, Sanya, I still remember when I first got into skincare, I thought the squeakier my face felt, the cleaner it was. I would keep washing my face over and over again.
I'm sure it must have felt like the Sahara Desert.
Yes, it did. And then I realized that overwashing can actually strip away natural oils. Over time, I also understood that using a gentle cleanser is so important. So I got myself a cleanser with ceramide boosters and hyaluronic acid to keep my skin hydrated and happy. Now I just wash my face twice a day.
The second myth is that you don't need to exfoliate your face. But you know Shelly, the truth is that exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells and reveals the fresh glowing skin underneath. Here's a quick tip. Always opt for a gentle exfoliator that won't cause micro tears on your skin. Look for ingredients like vitamin C and licorice extract that not only gives you a radiant glow but also effectively removes impurities and refreshes your skin for that healthy look.
Moving on to the third myth, the order of your skincare products doesn't matter. But let's set the record straight, guys. The order absolutely matters.
It's like trying to put on your shoes without the socks.
Total chaos, right?
Right.
So, the right order is, first we cleanse to kick out dirt and impurities. Then we tone to balance our skin's pH levels and get it ready to soak up all the goodness from the next steps. Next up, we've got the serum to tackle specific skin concerns. After that, it's time to moisturize. This step seals in hydration and keeps our skin's natural barriers strong and healthy. And last but definitely not the least, sunscreen. It's your skin's superhero against UV rays that can cause everything from premature aging to serious skin issues. So remember, the sequence of your skincare routine isn't just a suggestion. It's crucial to ensure your skin reaps all the benefits that each product has to offer. Alright guys, let's move on to the next myth. You don't need to wear sunscreen indoors or on cloudy days.
Really?
I believed this for the longest time.
I know Shelly, most of us did. But here's the truth. UV rays can still get through clouds and windows, which means your skin is at risk of sun damage even on cloudy days or when you're indoors. That's why it's crucial to pick a sunscreen with SPF between 30 to 50. This range offers strong protection against both UVB and UVA rays, and let me tell you, I swear by using a sunscreen stick. It's so convenient to carry around and easy to reapply throughout the day. Mine has SPF 50, it's a non-oily tinted formula and it feels weightless on my skin, making it a breeze to fit into my daily routine.
And the last myth is that acne is only a problem during puberty. Well, I've cursed my puberty for this a lot.
I feel you, Shelly.
But just to clear the air, acne isn't just a teen thing. After talking with my dermat, it turns out it can pop up at any age due to stuff like excessive oil, bacteria, and hormones. So, alongside following a dedicated acne-specific routine, I always keep my spot patches handy. They're a lifesaver for targeting those stubborn spots and blemishes no matter your age.
Yes, I've tried these too and let me tell you, it's such a relief when a pimple comes up unannounced. So there you have it guys, skincare myths debunked.
Remember, your skin is unique and taking care of it is all about finding out what works best for you. So keep experimenting, stay hydrated and embrace your journey to be beautiful. Bye!